Hello sir, this is the keypad module, okay, and this is the swing gate motor. Its by default password is already set, okay. See, there are two channels, first channel and second channel. First channel means to control single gate, second channel means to control double gates, okay. So by default first channel password is 1111 4 times, then press hash C. Only single motor is working, okay. If I again press 1111 then hash C, it stops. This is the password 41 hash to control single gate, okay. See, pressing 1 4 times. See, then again stop. To control double motor, the password is 42. See, 2222, then hash C. Now double motor is working. If I press 2 again 4 times, see, it stops, okay. So to control double gates, password press 2 4 times, then hash to control double motors. If you want to control single motor, password is press 1 4 times, then hash to control single motor, okay. To change the password, please follow the manual or please call me. My number is 7978908677, okay. If you want to change password, then press 0 4 times, then star, okay, and then all instructions given in the manual, follow that instructions and you can change the password. By default password is already set. Again I am telling you, 1111 hash if you press, then it is control single motor. 2222 hash if you press, it controls double motor. This is the password.